What are you doing?
Oh, what a shot.
What a save. That wasn't a save.
Let me see your keys. I want to get you out of the glove. This one don't fit.
I don't have the keys.
Man, quit it, Dad.
Oh, I'm taking a video of you guys playing hockey. What's wrong with that? Those are my hard hats.
They were your hard hats. Oh, go for that again.
No. Here, hurry up.
Look at that. My hands are not even in it.
Did you catch that?
No, I'm going right into my glove things. I'm right in there.
Were you trying to hit me?
Yeah. It's zoom past your head.
Chris.
Man, quit it.
Alright,
Hey,
don't.
Tim. Dad, just quit it, alright? We're trying to have fun.
Come on, man.
Well, I want to get you guys in a bit of video, okay? Just one more minute,
I'm gonna
okay?
kill you, Chris.
Score!
Why are you killing the leg? Ah.
Oh. Man, Dad, just stop it, alright?
Hey, Chris, I thought you were right-handed.